Welcome back to DTF. This is Vikalp. If you, I mean, you should have seen the previous web episodes. Else, why the fuck are you here?
Damn, DTF reference विकल्प मोह
धीरे क्यों बोल रहा है भाई?
पता नहीं है रूम में तो चिल्लाने तो लगूंगा।
बाप का घर है वो.
सही बात है।
सही बात है.
Anyways, welcome to episode 6 of Dudes Talking Facts. And Mohak has an interesting story to share today.
Okay, since the start of the first episode, I've
It was a
been.
girl.
It is about a girl. Since the start of the first episode, it has been at least, I think, कितना 1.5 महीना हो गया ना? 1.5 महीने से I've been talking to this girl, right? She made me tell her that I like her. I was not gonna tell her because you know why the fuck would I do that so quick? 1 महीने में कौन बताता है? And even she made me ask her out as well. Like I wasn't gonna do that at least for like another month. This bitch made me do that. Then after all of that, putting me through all of that shit, she goes ahead and like stops talking to me randomly. Then then she hides me from her stories. DTF को भी like she hid DTF की stories. Me विकल्प से नहीं hide करी. And my private and posts a picture of her. Huh?
She was getting digged down by someone.
Yeah,
else.
she was getting digged. Let me rephrase. She was getting
In a
digged
polite way.
in a polite. She was getting her ass ate by a man.
Bad words. My mom watches the podcast.
Fuck off.
Yes,
Okay.
she does.
Fuck off. She was getting her ass ate by a man taller, darker. Fuck the darker
friendly
part.
reminder, guys. Fiona chose a Shrek over a short guy. But
ओए
yeah,
बहन के लड़े क्यों?
but no, Shrek is really.
Yeah, but like this is fucked up.
I get
Right?
turned on by Shrek.
And then you know, like legit women are coming up to me and they're like, मोहक इतनी बुरी बातें क्यों बोलता है हमारे बारे में? This is why. this is exactly why.
Misogynistic तो है तू।
तो क्यों नहीं होगा? हरकतें ऐसी हैं भाई इनकी, मैं बोलूँ.
मेरे बर्थडे पे भी सब यही बोल रहे थे। ये मोहक इतना बोलता क्यों है?
Look, I'm not even angry about the whole thing. I'm
mad. I'm disappointed.
just I'm disappointed about. I don't know what part was real. Is what is pissing me off.
None of it.
Till what point was it real and what point it wasn't? I hope she's watching this and like she finds a way to text me because she's. That is the only question I have from her. I'm not even mad, bro. Like I was expecting that shit anyways.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, he legit said कि ये हो रहा होगा most probably.
I called it.
Yeah, he called it.
You owe me money.
Hmm?
You owe me money.
कितने रुपए?
जितने
What
मर्जी
money?
में-
What is money? Huh? हाँ अगली
Prehistoric
बात.
human
oh,
beings be like.
Let's talk about Cody को.
अच्छा, he got cancelled for
भाई,
pedophilia.
okay. This okay. These are two
Our
guys.
inspiration.
Are my inspiration, my
has been
biggest
charged-
inspiration
has
to
been
be
charged with pedophilia.
biggest inspiration to start this whole thing. TMG. उसमें से एक pedophile निकला. He had sex with a girl when he was 25 and she was 17. Look, I mean, it's not that big of a difference age में. Like, मतलब she's going to turn 18 that year.
Barely legal.
Barely legal is what I'm saying. Barely illegal. He
As
had
a
sex with her. She's
barely-
17. So barely illegal.
हाँ, लड़की तो barely legal हुई ना. Like if-
हाँ नहीं, but the act is barely illegal.
Sure. 8 साल का gap.
Okay, no, that part I'm not talking about. I'm talking about just her in general. कि वो 17 साल की, she was gonna turn 18.
But
Okay,
pedophilia is pedophilia.
fair. हाँ, like
But
he
like
could.
to bring it up.
No, the thing is, after bringing this shit up after 9 years, when he has
When
a
he has a
child,
wife.
when he has a wife and a child, messing that motherfucker's whole career, one messed up thing to do.
Damn, bro. सोच आगे जाके हम में से हम अगर फेमस हो गए एंड फिर तेरे के ऊपर आएगा।
तेरी बातें उगल लेने गई.
वो तो ठीक है, तेरे ऊपर आएगा। मेरे को
मेरे
लग रहा है
भी क्यों
पेडोफिलिया
आएगा?
का। तू लगता है पेडोफाइल?
अच्छा, because I have a beard, that's why.
नहीं, वो तो तेरी जल्दी आ गई थी।
हाँ, तेरी आ नहीं रही उसका. मेरी जल्दी आ गई थी, वो तो ठीक है, तेरी आ नहीं रही उसका क्या?
मैं शेव कर लेता हूँ।
हाँ
मैं हर दूसरे दिन शेव करता
जी
हूँ।
जी जी
हाँ, so anyways,
शेर होने को
okay. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ?
Oh yeah, next episode probably we're going to have some cool people over.
Next
I
episode
keep
is
saying
going to
this,
be
I keep saying this, and it never happens. But I'm trying my best. Okay. I mean, we have people saying yes. It is just then we have to find enough mics. We
we
have to
get
find.
lazy.
No, you get lazy.
I get lazy.
He gets lazy. I have to find mics. I have to find a place to sit 6 people somehow. It is a big
Possible.
deal.
It could happen like if we get the entire space.
We still can't, bro. We will have to
No,
shoot
we-
at 0.5.
3 cameras, right?
Oh
Center shot left and right.
हाँ यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं वैसे if you think about it.
I have thought about it. We'll join both of the tables. टेबल हो गई हमारे पास, एक साइड
एक
वो
दो
3.
कितने लोग हैं हम 6 ना.
हाँ,
हाँ,
तो
हो
लाइक
जाएगा.
हम दोनों एक साइड
हो
एक
जाएगा.
कॉर्नर बैठ जाएंगे एंड वो ऐसे सेंटर में रखेंगे तो वन शॉट ऑफ अस बोथ.
एक में
shot
दो,
उनका
एक
और एक
में.
सेंटर से, बट वो देखना पड़ेगा कि सेंटर में पूरा फ्रेम आएगा कि नहीं.
वो
That
हम
will be the
सेट
problem.
कर लेंगे.
But
Good idea. Look, when we sit together, we are finally able to find.
Not
यार straw से पीने में भाई.
Who's we?
Fuck off, भाई. I took my friend's apartment just to do this.
Do what?
To film it if we could. Like उसने बोल दिया कि take my apartment.
देख लेंगे वो तो. Oh, by the way, please congratulate me for getting into Harvard.
This retard posted a story of DU and then like, उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ है हार्वर्ड कॉलेज में इसका दाखिला हो गया है. बीकॉम
800 में से स्कोर था 801. मैं पहले सोचा 295 कर दूं. सिद्धू मूसेवाले का गाना सुना आपने?
यार we can't bring that shit up every episode.
कब लाया?
पिछले एपिसोड में तूने यही बोला है. When I was editing I saw.
Goodness gracious. So I got into Harvard. भाई लोगों में इतनी कॉमन सेंस नहीं, मेरे DMs भर गए उसमें सब कह रहे हैं
You got into Harvard.
हाँ,
भाई
मैं
मैंने
CVT देखे,
I straight away called.
देखे DU का, मैं मेरा हार्वर्ड में हो गया.
I straight away called you right. I was like कि भाई ये क्या चल रहा है भाई.
तू हार्वर्ड जा रहा है?
नहीं I was like कि भाई ये क्या चल रहा है. DU लिखा है हार्वर्ड लिखा है.
बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है ना. एक मेरे को बंदा लगता भाई हार्वर्ड कॉलेज तो कुछ होता ही नहीं. ओके.
Okay.
Then what's the? It's on my screen.
What is on
It's
yeah,
there.
exactly.
हुआ है मेरा. जाऊँगा मैं.
Exactly.
It's just jealous.
Straw से पीने में मजा नहीं आ रहा भाई.
मेरे को तो आ रहा है.
चल
Fantastic है.
फैंटा तो चल ठीक है. मे बी
Thumbs up
इसके अंदर ना
hashtag.
अजीब सा टेस्ट आ रहा है यार स्ट्रॉ से.
Thumbs up hashtag.
Shut the fuck up.
मैं भी बता. This is not flip the bottle.
This is a Jabaloon fruit.
It's gracious. बहुत बोरिंग हो रहा है आज का है.
भाई I had a lot of things to talk about. Your ass is not talking.
Then talk about it.
I already did.
Okay, yeah. मेरा काम it's like when you're having sex and you're just like.
जी अब क्या करना है.
मेरा हो गया, मैं तौलिया बांध के जा रहा हूँ धोने. Anyways, हमने इस बार टॉपिक्स भी नहीं मंगाए लोगों से. We were supposed to read them from the phone. Or
कर
did we do
लिए.
that?
We already did that last time.
Sorry, my memory is a little bit aged. I've been drinking. Oh, drinking से याद है अभी जब तनिष्क के बर्थडे में did I tell you क्या हुआ? मैंने
Oh yeah, public apology.
for what?
Tanishk, भाई आजा भाई. Okay. We asked him if he wanted to join before we started this whole thing. He was like
Why are we discussing
private conversations.
in public? Yes, shut the fuck up.
I'm apologizing.
Okay, you've done that.
Apologized.
Apologized. Forgiven.
Yeah. Apologies.
Apologies.
Okay.
हाँ, तो मैंने बहुत सारी पी ली. लाइक मैंने अकेले में नीट पी रहा था विस्की, तो मैंने 150 ml आई गेस नीट विस्की पी है जस्ट ऑन द रॉक्स.
अकेले क्यों पी रहा था?
अकेले नहीं, मतलब आई एम सेइंग कि मैंने अकेले नहीं पी ली. अदर पीपल वर ड्रिंकिंग बट दे वर ड्रिंकिंग जूस फॉर्म में. ठीक है.
fruity people.
Yes. So I drink like a man.
I don't drink.
एंड फिर मैंने मेरे को ना कोने में बॉम्बे सफायर की बॉटल बड़ी अच्छी लगी. यार ये तो बहुत सुंदर है, इसमें तो पड़ी भी है, ये भी पीऊँगा. तो फिर मैंने जिन जिन के लिए फिर मेरे को बताया किसी ने टॉनिक वाटर के साथ पीते हैं, तो मैंने ब्लिंकेट करा टॉनिक वाटर. फिर वो बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी टेस्ट, तो मैंने 200-250 ml जिन पी के ख़त्म कर दी. सुबह आंटी के पास बॉटल, अरे किसने पी दो.
Hello.
तो हाँ बहुत फन था. मेड सम वेरी रिग्रेटफुल डिसीजंस.
ये कब की बात है? तनुष का बर्थडे?
हाँ, I should
अच्छा,
not be given a
I-
phone when I'm drunk.
I
That is-
can't relate to this whole conversation.
So भाई तेरा बर्थडे तो एकदम क्रेजी. लास्ट नाइट वाज अ ब्लैक.
मेरा बर्थडे भाई पता नहीं भाई करने नहीं देते ढंग से. लाइक यू नो इफ इमेजिन इफ माई पेरेंट्स weren't there and the people that there were, like जितने भी थे, पार्टी ढंग से होती. if you really know what I mean.
You don't drink.
Still, if the people were there and my parents just had left the house, पार्टी अच्छी होती नहीं होती जिस
क्या आते दो तेरे सोसाइटी के वो निमिश एंड वो लल्लू सी दूसरी.
लल्लू.
यू बिकम अमृतुल थे बस.
You become Ridul Archasha थी.
हाँ अर्ची शादी. Like unless there's drinking involved, please count me out.
तेरे मेरे बर्थडे पे नहीं है, तू मेरे बर्थडे पे नहीं आएगा.
This is not the age to be having get-togethers.
मेरे भाई का बर्थडे आ रहा है, मेरा भाई सो.
हाँ.
हाँ,
दारू पार्टी हूट्स चलते हैं. सही कह रहा हूँ.
हूट्स चलते हैं. ओ फक, हाँ हूट्स चलते हैं.
हूटर थोड़ी कह रहा है.
हाँ मैं वही सोचूं क्या कह रहा है. हूटर्स तो है भी नहीं यहाँ पे. हाँ नहीं, बट हूट्स चल सकते हैं. गुड प्लेस. लेट्स नॉट टॉक. लेट्स व्हाई द फक डिड वी टेल पीपल अबाउट इट?
किसी को पता ही नहीं क्या है. It is a
It is basically Hooters. हाँ, go ahead.
so
Why did you bring it up, man?
I might have called someone up drunk होके.
किसे?
So तुमने
I'll beep my name. I'll beep the name.
नहीं करा but
Okay.
याद से कर दियो.
हाँ.
चेप औरत. भाई weirdo है वो तो. हाँ. Anyways but वो नहीं. छोड़. Not important.
Names later.
So
It's okay.
basically, I called up someone I shouldn't have. It was very surprising, and I might have said things that I was not supposed to say, but it kind of worked out in my favor. हाँ, तेरे को पता ना इसमें ये सब भी आता है.
नहीं आता. I've done everything. I've done all of the experiments.
फिर beep कर दियो.
कोई नहीं.
So yeah, basically yeah, some regretful decisions were made.
Wasn't she taken?
Apparently not.
Twins and everything still.
नहीं वो सब तो हो गया.
हो गया.
हाँ, तूने यही है ना ये बोल के बहुत नैरो डाउन कर दिया अब.
No one knows. Still no one knows.
What if she watches?
कोई नहीं. Then she knows that we talked about it. कोई नहीं.
ये सेगमेंट हटना चाहिए. I'll tell you the reason why. हाँ तो आगे. हाँ I think we should.
भाई keep the fucking mouth. ये मैं डालूंगा. ये बीप पर डालेगा अभी रुक तू.
पागल. Okay, let's talk about something that has happened recently.
So how did it work out in your favor? and
अरे I'll
not-
tell you बाद में यार. सब इधर बता दूँ.
हाँ.
नहीं.
नाम नहीं बता रहा तो पूरी स्टोरी तो
नहीं
बताएगा
बता
ही.
सकता, नहीं बता सकता बाद में. बट हाँ मैं क्या कहता हूँ, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इन द रियल वर्ल्ड, लाइक दैट रेप केस वाज रियली फक्ड अप.
Oh yeah. I mean,
दैट हैपेंड इन कोलकाता इन द हॉस्पिटल.
you know when I was starting this thing, you told me not to talk about it.
Did I?
Yes. Yes.
See, that was because I was being cautious of what like we say to that situation, given that anything is cancelable these days.
My whole
And like,
opinion.
let's not talk about.
Why? Okay, I have some things that women are posting that are pissing me off. ठीक है, about the case. Like the case, I understand it's a very sensitive topic. Let's leave that aside. There is this girl who posted कि अफगानिस्तान के अंदर if the same thing happens, उसका सर काट देते हैं. What are the country? China के अंदर I think it said the same thing.
Execute.
Bro, these are not democratic countries. You can't make such laws in India. It is that simple. Just use 10% of your goddamn brain and just think about it that India is not a communist country or a country that is run by fucking goons. I mean, like, we have
That's
politicians,
true.
even they are corrupt, but at the same time, this is a democratic country, so like, you can't just make laws.
I don't think India should be a democracy.
भाई
We need
to be honest, अगर communist हो जा like उसके they both have their own ups and downs. Like if you really think of communist, भाई China के अंदर you don't have any privacy at all. That is what you give for to have a successful country. You give away your privacy just for that.
But like finding 150 grams of semen and then saying it was done by a single guy, that is something that is so fucked
That
up.
is so. Bhai, how the fuck? What is he using?
That is so fucked up. Like at least 10 people were there, and
At least was
the
it?
hospital-
Is it like a like what is it called? Is it sure that 10 people were there or like 8? Some people are
who
saying
the
8.
fuck would
No, but some people are saying it's
like
8.
8 to 10? Like an average male can
हाँ नहीं
produce
but
13 to 15 grams of semen.
भाई what doctor did signed off on that 100 grams?
That is exactly the point. The hospital is behind all of this because okay, do you
Fine,
know
it's
who
all
the
fine.
director of the
All is
hospital
fine.
was?
But what doctor in the right mind said this guy came that much? It's legit impossible.
Maybe if the doctor was in on it too.
Okay, fair.
Like
Fair.
the chairman जो head होता है hospital का, like a couple, I think something Yuvika told me that he was accused of kicking his pregnant wife while she was having twins, and she had like after the pregnancy,
Miscarriage
like,
हो गया.
No,
Oh,
no, no.
one of them was born
No,
different.
No, no. They were twins. Like after the delivery, they were cesarean babies. So like जो stitch होता है पेट पे. So he kicked when they were arguing. They kicked his wife, and the stitches came out open and started bleeding. And he was accused of that. So imagine if the director is like that, and what do you expect? That they burned down the entire seminar hall just to like evidence छुपाने के लिए. मैं खाना allowed नहीं.
Bro, I swear to God, this Humpty Dumpty looking ass, bro. Fucking, he's gonna get beaten up, I swear. बता भाई सुबह से भाई इसको हर दिन दिक्कत है भाई मेरे से हर दिन एक दिन छोड़ता नहीं है बहन का लाड़ा.
I hope he's listening.
I fucking hope he does.
But
भाई इसको शुरू से दिक्कत है भाई मेरे को बताओ ओके ही आई हैव बीन इन दिस अपार्टमेंट सिंस इट स्टार्टेड लाइक प्रॉपर लाइक आई हैव बीन हियर ही हैज आस्क्ड मी अबाउट 10 टाइम्स ही हैज सीन माय फेस मैं कहाँ से हूँ कौन हूँ रहता हूँ यहीं रहता हूँ ही नोज मी ही स्टिल आस्किंग सर आप कौन से उससे हो आपका नाम क्या है
like, why would you come daily to an apartment just to?
भाई हाँ like you're not getting paid enough to doing this shit भाई you're not getting paid enough to do this
Bare minimum workers.
yeah just chill the fuck out man I'm not a fucking thief fucking asshole man हाँ
हिंदी में बोला करें तो थोड़ा.
बैन का लौड़ा
Asshole हिंदी का वो पागल आदमी ऐसी
हाँ,
viewers नहीं आते ऊपर से.
अब तू चुप कर आगे बोल तू what we
हो
talk
गया
about
मेरा अब क्या बोलना है like it's really fucked up and like there is more news coming up saying that a girl who was in the protest for
हाँ
this
even
strike,
she got raped ना
yeah.
अभी but like I don't think that is real like I mean because the thing is I tried searching her name अब कुछ आया नहीं no news was but again
Like, exactly that is what
But
everybody
again,
is saying ना कि they are trying
news
to
नहीं
hide
आ
it,
रही
हाँ.
हाँ okay
So like
fair
anything could be
you
anything
can't really trust the news that is something that we have been learning since I don't know pre-primary
the media is
हाँ the
bought
media is fucking bought yeah
by the government but हाँ like काफी like please choose bears
भाई नहीं भाई ऐसे भी
please choose bears
भाई
I
like
can't keep on
it
defending
is not even about choosing the whole point of rape is that you don't choose so like it is not even about choosing she didn't choose this shit for herself
exactly I'm just saying like वैसे यार
हाँ
don't go on the words go on the
भाई fuck
metaphor.
this guy don't listen to him men are all some men are good most men are good these are
अरे,
the, fuck off wait shut the fuck up
Babil Khan are you okay बच्चा
are you okay बच्चा
I'm just saying कि वैसे like I saw it somewhere so I said कि हाँ ठीक है ये use करो
हाँ okay TikTok yeah no, but like okay man like this is just fucked up this happened when I was a child as well like fucking not to me but like this similar case happened with the bus Nirbhaya wala Delhi bhai I was like I think 2012 was it 2012 I don't know bro I was a fucking child I was on the streets I had no idea what the fuck happened I had a candle in my hand that's all I remember I have
अच्छा you went for the वो
yeah I was with my mom and dad, and I have no idea what happened. A few years later, I was like, "Oh, what the fuck is this shit? ये क्या होता है भाई?" I had no idea how sex worked in 2012. Of course, it's fucked up. Okay, okay. By the way, when I'm talking about such sensitive topics, I tend to laugh a lot. This is
Yeah,
one of the
that does
reasons.
not mean he's
this,
like
yeah, I
he's
tend to
finding
laugh
it
a
funny,
lot.
but it's just how
No,
it-
but the thing is, right now I'm not laughing. I take this shit too seriously. Is what I'm saying.
Because
This
it's
is-
very fresh.
Yeah, this
But
is
don't
just fucked
laugh
up.
on it later on as well. The kind of people that make tweets against, like, there's always that section that tries to be funny या dank भाई हम बहुत cool है, but people are being for real saying shit like wish I was one of the 8, like something like
Bro, what the fuck?
like
क्या mental
fucked up
चीज़ें-
shit like
How could you
that.
fucking say that?
And अभी I think there's this कोई एक Bengali movie director था. Do you know what statement he made regarding the case? He said,
अबे even Mamta man, what the fuck she
she
doing?
was protesting against her own government. Protest कर रही है भाई, ठीक करना.
भाई मेरी गवर्नमेंट खराब
कोम्बा
है
कोम्बा
भाई।
डम्बा डम्बा जुम्मा जुम्मा. But the thing being,
भाई क्या करा तूने?
ये she said these her exact words in a speech.
मम्मा डुम्मा
डम्बा
डुम्मा।
डम्बा डम्बा डम्बा. Meme है.
No way. I have never seen this.
Exactly my point.
By that woman need to retire and like probably just like sleep in a coffin so somebody can bury that woman, bro. She's like, dude. बहुत हो गया भाई उसका.
मैं जो बता रहा था, तो वो डायरेक्टर ने स्टेटमेंट रिलीज करी रिगार्डिंग द एंटायर केस सेइंग गवर्नमेंट शुड नॉट स्टॉप रेप्स, ही शुड लीगलाइज रेप विदाउट वायलेंस. Like if women.
Who said this?
A Bengali movie director, a Bengali or a South Indian, I don't know. You know that?
Oh,
There's more. There's more.
This man used 100% of his fucking brain.
There's more.
क्या चल रहा है?
There's more.
Oh.
He says women should carry condoms
Just in case this happens.
just if it happens to satisfy the sexual desires of men.
What?
Instead of retaliating and rebelling to cause violence. He said if the sexual desires of males are fulfilled, they will not be violent. That is the solution.
This just sounds like an anime that would exist. I am not fucking with you. This exact
He has
situation
watched
looks like an anime.
Too much
Anime,
Please
hentai,
get this
fucking
man
hentai.
off the internet. Please. And then his mother had to release a statement saying that he's not my son and I'm sorry for the words he said.
He's not my son.
Yeah,
मेरा बेटा नहीं है.
हाँ भाई, obviously.
Oh, like is she disassociating or is she saying
She's
कि
saying
this
I'm very
nigga
sorry
is
that
adopted?
my son said that
Oh.
in a professional. He literally tweeted this on Facebook.
भाई क्या
tweeted this
हाई
and-
होके करते हैं ये सब?
भाई crazy.
This is messed up, भाई. How what was he?
बच्चे दे रहे हैं,
Director, nah. He's a fucking director. That's why. He went
What
too
is he
creative.
directing?
He went too creative with
Is
this
he
shit.
directing, bro? I
He's
don't
a
want to
director,
watch
right,
that.
or an actor? What?
He's a director.
Ah, he went too creative with his things, bro.
Bro, it's like
This motherfuckers like these needs to go to
it's
like fucking hell, man.
saying, चोरी करने से बचाना है तो
तो
अपना
चोर को
दे
सामान
दो
दे
ना।
दो चोर को. हाँ, अरे भाई 200%
घर तो
of
नहीं
his brain.
टूटेगा।
हाँ, सही बात है. बहुत दिमाग लगा लिया इस इंसान ने.
110, bro.
For sure.
Harvard is calling.
Oh, by the way, we'll have Easter eggs. Random books are not. These books are not random.
Do we have to read them or something?
No.
I don't read. I
No.
don't read.
It says Nancy Drew.
As you can tell, yeah.
I
used
picked
to
them
read-
up.
I used to read Nancy Drew.
हाँ, I picked them up.
लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के वो जब टीचर आती
हाँ,
थी।
okay. Fruity as.
Not a futurist or what is it? Should we do book readings?
Book reviews.
Book readings.
Book read. We just read books to the camera. अबे भाई चुप कर भाई. ओए पहले तो माइक में बोला कर.
Sorry.
बुक टेढ़ी उल्टा माइक खाना नहीं है.
Okay, so I think we'll wrap it up.
हो गया आधा घंटा.
I think we're not getting paid by the hour, so why should we record that long?
Okay, Fikal, weird time to be bringing prostitution into all of this.
Bye bye. It's been a great run. I don't think I'm doing this. End video.